Get close to her and she'll attack it.
Justin, what are you doing up? Mama's just talking really loudly. Come on, let's go upstairs.
Don't shine it in her eye.
Oh, hey. I couldn't hear what they were saying, but Mom was
Go for it, Kat.
And then she was yelling. She was angry. I've never seen her so angry.
I wish I knew what it was, but I don't.
Okay, then how is Mom involved in this? I don't know.
Try to make her move.
God, I don't know. But whatever it is, it freaked out Mom so much she hopped the plane to Seattle. Sarah, I don't know about you, but I don't want to start digging up whole bones.
So what, we just sell our house?
Look, I know that you think saving the company is saving the family, but the family will be fine without it. Probably better off. You need to focus on your life. If Mom is right, and there is an opportunity.
Uh-oh.
They're not fighting.
So what's the game plan?
I brought Tommy down. I just need more time.
You have until next week.
Next week?
I'm losing patience. I've already wasted
Here, hand it to me.
buy Holly's shares.
Now. Hurry, I'm rolling. Nice. Throw it on the floor. Thank you.
I never trusted you. I used to say to William, there's something off with that guy. He's dead in the eye.
Oh.
You know, I'm getting a little sick of this. It was as if they're making me into this monster, and we both know I was just following orders. William's and yours. Here. Proof. Copies of canceled checks. Your signatures on every one.
There's nothing
Really hard to do.
what we did.
I know.
Oh, almost got it. Oh, come on.
It was harder
Come on.
than your children
Come on.
expect.
Come on. Come on.
Get your kids to sign on the dotted line, or I swear to God, Norm, I'm going to destroy your family. I know.
Where'd it go? Oh. Help! I can't shoot and do this at the same time you do it. Kiki! She's not seeing it.
New look, new day, who knew?
Flash on the wall behind her, and she'll spot it. No, she's not. There she goes. There she goes. She saw it.
People are shocked to find out I'm a mom. I hear hot babysitter a lot.
No, she's not. Not yet.
Matches my style. It has great stuff for my kids. It has an available Worldview Entertainment Center. Driving my Sienna says sure.
Come on, Kiki.
But I'm not running around
Go get it.
in mom jeans.
You get close to her and she'll attack it.
Please.
Yeah, she's got her tongue out. She's tired.